Hi, this is Dave from Pioneer Imports, here with another money-saving minute, this time for basket buyers. What would you rather pay? $24 for a box of baskets or $44 for a box of baskets? Shipping companies are raising their rates, especially on big boxes. They're putting big surcharges. We have here a basket that has 24 pieces in a box for about $24 shipping from Ohio to Kansas. Here is a basket that has 12 pieces and it ships for $44. The difference is the high handle. The high handle takes up a lot of space. It means you're shipping a lot of air. These baskets nest together nicely. You get a lot more money, a lot more value in the same box for a lot less price shipping. Be wise about your shipping and about your purchasing. When you look for baskets, we're going to probably have to go with these in many cases. But there's another money-saving minute from Pioneer Imports. Thanks for shopping.